Yes, long-awaited response to the anti-gravity event is here. Meet the DJI Avata 360. It lets you film 360-degree cameras in 8K 60 frames per second HDR, no less, thanks to DJI's flagship 1-inch type sensor with 2.4 new pixel size with high dynamic range. The Avata 360 comes with different lenses that you can use. One is a 360-degree lens with 1-inch sensor that can take 120 megapixel photos. Both photos and videos can be directly exported in frame post-production. With a single lens mode, you can use a classic avatar style filming at 4K 60 frames per second. DJI O4 Plus video transmission system delivers 1080p 60 frames per second up to 20 kilometers away. It has a flight time of 23 minutes, comes with nightscape, omnidirectional obstacle sensing and integrated propeller guards. The camera lenses can be replaced with the Avata 360 replacement lens kit, also coming with the required tools for replacement. It has 42 GB internal storage. It can hold 30 minutes of 8K 360-degree video. Using Wi-Fi 6, 1 GB of footage can be transferred to DJI Fly app in 10 seconds. The Avata 360 comes with infinite rotation, tilt for dynamic camera moves, one tap in-app editing, intelligent tracking, FPV mode, and it comes automatically with select optimal tracking mode. It can be flown with DJI controllers like RC2, RCN2, RCN3. With the DJI RC Motion 3, it can perform aerial acrobatics too. It's up for pre-orders now at £409 for the drone only, £639 for bundle with DJI RC2, £829 for the Fly More combo with RC2, and £829 for the Motion Fly More combo with DJI goggles and 3.